Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30 days one-stroke painting series. This is day 3, and in today's video we are going to practice flower petal strokes that are used to create many different flowers. For today's practice, I'm using pink and white acrylic colors, a glass slab as mixing palette, 150 GSM black paper, spray bottle, flat brush number 8, a cup of water and also paper towels. Dip one side of the brush in white and the other side in pink, then gently move the brush back and forth on the palette to blend the colors slightly. This will help create the beautiful gradient effect in each petal. Now let's start practicing the petal strokes. In one-stroke painting, the pressure of the brush is very important. When you press the brush down, the stroke becomes wider, and when you lift the brush, the stroke becomes thinner and more pointed. Press the brush gently, move it in a curved motion, and slowly lift it at the end to create a soft petal shape. Turn the brush slightly while moving it, so the stroke forms a natural curve. These types of petals are often used in flowers like roses. If you're having trouble painting a stroke, try turning the page upside down and painting it that way. It can make it easier to get the flow. Continue practicing different petal shapes by adjusting the pressure and direction of the brush. With simple movements you can create many variations of petals. In this practice sheet I have created 53 different petal strokes using the same brush and color combination. These strokes will help you build confidence and prepare you for painting complete flowers in the next videos of this series. We will try a longer petal stroke. Press the brush, glide it slightly forward, and lift gently to create a pointed tip. If you are new here, I recommend watching day 1 and day 2 of this series, where I show background blending and brush loading. The links are in the description. Understanding brush loading will help you get the soft color blending that you see in these petals. Continue practicing different petal shapes by adjusting the pressure and direction of the brush. With simple movements, you can create many variations of petals. Take your time to practice each stroke slowly. The more you practice, the smoother your strokes will become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more painting tutorials. I hope this practice helps you understand the basics of one-stroke flower petals. In the next video, we will start practice various leaf strokes. Thank you for watching day 3 of my 30 days one-stroke painting series. And I will see you in the next lesson.